I think we deserved the 3 points, if I'm honest. I think we had enough chances to win the game. It wasn't the greatest spectacle. I think it was quite a scrappy game at times. But it's always tough coming here to Bala. It's a small, tight pitch, and yeah, they make it hard for you. So just happy to get the 3 points.
As daft as it sounds, because we've been beat, I'm really pleased with the performance. Like you say, if you take the first 2 minutes of the first half, the first 2 minutes of the second half of the game, there was not much in it at all. We've had 2 great chances first half after we've gone 1-0 down to get back in it. Don't take them. Said to the lads at half time, you've done really well. Got to go out and do it again. And then we switch off first couple of minutes, concede another, and you've always got, it's an uphill battle then, isn't it? But in terms of performance, like I said, it sounds ridiculous to say you're happy with the performance when you've got beat. But I thought the lads were really good today.
I thought we were poor tonight. After the first goal, we started really well. Great little ball from Ben, and Rob's finishes off. But we had a couple of chances after that. Again, we've got to finish, and then same old story. The last couple of weeks, it makes a little bit of an interesting game, doesn't it? But historically, I don't think we've come here and dominated the game for quite a number of years. So, like I say, just the 3 points is important tonight.
The way we went about it tonight was really good. I just said to the lads, if you turn in them type of performances for the rest of the first half of the season before the split, it's a good chance you could get top 6. But again, like I said, it's a long way to go, and you've got to be consistent in your performances.
That's 9 games unbeaten in the league now, 5 wins on the bounce, and starting to move up the gears.
Yeah, picking up a bit of momentum now. Obviously, we had a bit of a slow start of the season, whether that be down to the European campaign that we had, which obviously wasn't great, or the new lads settling in, but things seem to be clicking now, and hopefully we can continue to kick on.